What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry, and welcome to my channel, baby. Buy the dip. That's right, guys. We're talking about a SPAC that I'm going to maybe think tomorrow is going to explode a little bit, have a little pop. Like I said, we got the stimulus news that passed in the Senate. It's going to go to the House. We know the House is going to pass it. And with all this happening, and now this SPAC right here, ticker symbol HZON, has phenomenal news coming in the sports industry, and we're going to go over an article that talked about it back a couple days ago about the rumors and what we need to know about this official merger. And then now this morning, the merger is official and the acquisition is official, and we're going to go over that article as well. So guys, hope you are ready for today's video. If you are, hit that thumbs up. I'm doing a thumbs up nation, and comment down below. Are you looking to buy this SPAC first thing in the morning to see if it pops and maybe cash out for some quick gains? Or are you just going to stay on the sidelines of this crazy market and see what happens? So guys, like I said, first link down below, Webull. Use that link to deposit $100 to get yourself some free stock. And click that Patreon link right below that. $5 a month. You get to join in with the family, buy, sell alerts, and get to see stuff before it hits YouTube. Alright guys, and here's this article here. It was posted on March the 3rd at 11:11 a.m. Hzon Spac has 13 things you need to know about the Horizon acquisition and a potential sports trader SPAC merger. A value for the deal hasn't been set yet. So this article was posted before it, but I think we need to cover this article back on the 3rd because it does kind of tell you some things about, everything going on. So starting off, Horizon Acquisition is a blank check company created with the purpose of taking a private company public. The company says it may have a target any company for a SPAC merger, but is currently looking for one in the financial services industry. It specifically wants a company focused on differentiated financial services and financial services adjacent platforms. It raised $525 million in October with its initial public offering, the IPO. The company is led by investor and businessman Todd Boehly. Boehly is a co-founder of Eldridge Industries, a holding company based out of Connecticut. Insider sources are behind the rumors that Horizon Acquisition and Sports Trader are considering a SPAC merger. However, the price for the deal is still currently unknown. It is also unclear if and how much the private investment in public equity pipe could raise for the merger. Rumors that Sports Trader is planning to go public kicked off in late February. At that time, there's still a debate on if the company will go public via SPAC or IPO. Those claims said a SPAC could have more value for the company between $10 billion and $12 billion. There's also talk of a possible $2 billion raise from a pipe, and back then, Hzon was up 18.1% that Wednesday morning. Now, guys, if we look here on Friday real quick, you can see this thing dipped the whole way down to like $10.60 and it ended the day at $11.71. We did have a little bit of a recovery there in the afternoon. So what I do want to bring you is now to the official news posted by Sportico. And this was just posted today, March the 7th at 10:11 a.m. Now everything is official. Sports Trader strikes a $10 billion deal to go public through the Boehly-led SPAC. So that's what we want to see. Now this is official. So here we go. Sports Traders is going public in a deal with a blank check firm, Horizon Acquisition Corp. 2, that values sports data company at $10 billion, according to someone familiar with the negotiations. Sports Trader, the SPAC led by Los Angeles Dodgers minority owner, former Guggenheim President Todd Boehly, have signed a letter of intent in place, said the person who was granted nominally because negotiations are private. The deal includes an addition of other investors as part of the private investment of public equity or PIPE, which is to be used to buy down existing sports trader equity holders, which is really good. If the deal closes, it could be one of the largest SPAC valuations and the largest for a sports-related property. The firm, which currently trades under the ticker symbol HZON, raised $525 million last year from its IPO and overall allotment sale. Its board includes a DraftKings co-founder and CEO Jason Robbins. Sports trader also founded CEO Carlston Kaur will remain in place as CEO for the public company, the person said. A representative for Sports Trader declined to comment. A representative for Horizon didn't immediately respond to the email asking. All right, so basically a quick summary then of what this place is. This company was founded in 2001 and is headquartered in Switzerland. Sports Trader's main business is packaging data from global sporting events and selling it to media companies and sports betting operators. It covers over 350,000 sporting events each year across more than 50 sports and has direct partnerships with many of the world's largest sports bodies, including the NFL, NHL, NBA, MLB, FIFA, and NASCAR. The company's investors include the National Football League and a trio of NBA owners, Mark Cuban, Ted Leonsis, and Michael Jordan, who invested back in 2015. So the move comes as a value of data source for leagues and media companies and sports betting operators. Sports Trader was valued at $2.4 billion during a stake sale just 3 years ago. Genius Sports and other sports data company is also going public in a $1.5 billion SPAC deal. So guys, I just wanted to bring you this update here on this stock. I do think that, my personal opinion, what's going to happen tomorrow on this. The market right now, like I said, there are some great prices out there on these stocks, guys. A lot of great deals on the market. But I think with the stimulus stuff and with all these sales going on, I think we will have a couple days of pop. I don't know if the pop's going to happen tomorrow, but I do think this stock, on that news coming out today, being official, that we will see a pop, but how long will the pop last? Will it be like half a day, a whole day? Will we get a couple days? Will we get a week pop and then it sells off? As we know with these SPACs, once the news comes out, usually we get some kind of a pop. You know, that's just usually what happens on these SPAC deals. The news comes out officially, and then boom, it goes up, and then boom, it sells back off and it comes back down. So if you can buy this probably under $12, you're probably going to be safe. Just taking a guess out there, this will probably shoot up to, I don't know, it's hard to tell, guys. Right now, this market is hard to tell what's going to happen with these stocks right now. It's kind of unpredictable. Like I said, right now, if you're buying, the only advice I can give, and it's just my personal opinion, whatever you're buying right now, just have the intentions of buying and holding. Do not purchase anything right now thinking you're going to be able to day trade it or trade in a couple days or a week, because this market is crazy right now. If you get the opportunity and you buy it, be okay with holding it. Don't be thinking you're going to sell it for a quick profit. We've all been getting a little, greedy with that concept. So make sure when you buy something, you're okay if it dips. That's the number one rule we all have to learn. Literally, on buying a dip, buy a company. If it dips, are you willing to buy more? And that's what you got to ask yourself. Are you willing to buy more? That is my little bit of opinion for this video. So guys, thank you all for watching this. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Join the Thumbs Up Nation. I love and appreciate every single one of you guys. And links down below. Join up. I will catch you all in the next one. Remember to buy the dip, baby. Let's go.